So what does your home insurance cover? And most homeowners have no idea. So I got a couple pictures here to kind of bring it uh, full circle to. So what does your home insurance actually cover? I got some pictures here. I can let you know. So fire or lightning, everybody knows that. Right? Explosion. Hope that never happens to anybody. Riot or civil commotion. Do you know the difference between a riot and civil commotion? So I'm from the Philadelphia area, and if the Eagles lose, it's a riot. If they win, civil commotion. Aircraft falling into your home. Vehicles. Now, vehicles, if somebody else drives their vehicle into your home, it's covered even if you have a basic form policy. If you drive your own car into your home, you need to have a special form policy, and it's going to be two claims: a claim on the car and a claim on the home. Smoke. Smoke is a crazy claim. This stuff gets everywhere, and it's hard to get out. Almost impossible. Things need to be cleaned and repainted. Carpet needs to be replaced. You really can't get that clean. Vandalism and malicious mischief. Theft. Theft is a crazy claim because most homeowners don't know really what you're owed. And if somebody comes in and steals all your jewelry, all your watches, all your furs, you have $2,500 total in recoverable in most home insurance policies. Most people miss all the direct physical damage. When they come in and case a place, they do a lot of damage, but also the indirect damage, the risk of, did that person spit in your milk? Did they put Nair in your shampoo? Did they use your toothbrush to clean the toilet? So you're owed to replace anything that could have been opened and tampered with, cleaning products, food, makeup, stuff like that, on top of what they actually stole and what they actually damaged. Wind and rain is very common loss in home insurance. A volcano, ice balls, meteors, accidental discharge of your plumbing system. Most people call this a flood, but a flood is an excluded peril in a home insurance policy. On the right is what that floor is going to look like after it suffered some water damage. But the one crazy thing I learned about home insurance is that it doesn't matter if it's a widespread damage or just a little bit. The claim is virtually the same. So imagine if the dishwasher on the right hand side here just leaked a little bit. One of these little pieces of flooring had some decompression, but the rest of the floor looked pretty good. It's the same claim. It's remove and replace the floor, the entire floor. Ice damming, weight of ice and snow, freezing of plumbing, frozen pipes, artificially generated current, power surges. Now, even accidents, damage that's caused by our stupidity, things our kids do. You maybe drop some wax from a candle. You drop a hammer while you're putting up a pitcher, and now you have some impact damage to your floor. That can be a covered loss. On the left was high heels on the hardwood floor. Yeah, believe it or not, high heels caused that damage, and the homeowner was owed. It was about $10,000 to replace that floor. On the right, they left the sliding glass door open, and a rainstorm came through, and you see the carpet got wet and damaged that floor underneath. On the left, this is a great story. It is an ink spot from a grandson in a home that was being listed for sale. And I'd come out and saw it, and I'm like, yeah, the all peril policy covers this. And by the time my field adjuster got out there, my field adjuster called me. He said, well, where's this ink spot? I was like, it's right in the middle of the floor. He goes, oh, that's why there's a recliner there. So they'd move the recliner in the middle of the floor. And then he said, well, what's the deal with the bleach spot? I said, what bleach spot? And it turns out the homeowner tried to clean that carpet, that ink, between the time I left and my field adjuster got there. And it doesn't matter. Even that bleach spot would be a covered loss. On the right, they moved a hutch and damaged that floor. It's covered loss. Impact damage to granite countertops and fire embers, or somebody smoking a cigarette and the cherry drops out. These are all things that are covered under most home insurance policies. If you have some damage or an eyesore to your home and you want to know, hey, does this make sense to claim? Even though it just looks like a little bit of damage, it's more about the size of the repair than the size of the damage. Email me, insuranceclaimguy@gmail.com.